The new Model F from the award-winning team at WHILL has everything you need in a travel power chair. Lightweight, foldable, and highly maneuverable, the WHILL Model F allows you to get out and explore your world with greater mobility and independence. The Model F is WHILL's first foldable power chair. Its design allows it to be transported on planes, buses, trains, or in the trunk of a car or taxi with ease. When you're not using it, the Model F power chair can be conveniently stored in a closet or out-of-the-way corner of the room. Are you looking to personalize your ride? There are a variety of color choices available, including light blue, light green, red, white, and black. The Model F folds in less than 3 seconds, weighs less than 53 pounds, offers a 30.7-inch turning radius, a 250-pound weight capacity, a 12.4-mile driving range, and a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. While the WHILL Model F is more lightweight than its predecessors, it still provides users with the same superior performance and intelligent design that WHILL power chairs are famous for. Its ability to be remotely controlled using the WHILL smartphone app has changed the name of the game. It is loaded with extra features that will make life more convenient for you and your loved ones. Regain your mobility, freedom, and independence with the Model F lightweight folding power chair by WHILL. Call Automobility Store today for more details. And please don't forget to subscribe and comment below.